Nigerian fashion designers and beaders are eating up the streets of fashion, and I love to see it. This beautiful outfit was made by Azenat Wears on Instagram, and in today's video I'm going to be trying out the beading pattern that was done on this outfit. I'm also going to be sharing the entire process with you guys, how you can create something similar to this while beading your next outfit. If you'll be interested in this process, please make sure you watch this video to the end, subscribe to this channel if you're yet to, like, share, and leave me comments down in the comment section. Let's get started. Hello friends, so let's just jump straight into today's video. What I have here is my seed beads or sand beads. Now these are actually sand beads in purple. I have some crystal beads as well in purple, and I have these I don't know, they are iridescent crystal beads as well. All these beads were sourced from Mile 1 Market out here in Port Harcourt. I got it from Charity. Charity is one of the people that I shop from out here. I have a video where I shared more details about where I shop from. I'm going to try to link my market videos on the screen for those who might be interested. What I have here is a little piece of Asooke fabric that we're going to be working on. If you remember from the video that I shared at the beginning of the tutorial, which is the inspiration for this particular tutorial, I showed us an Asooke outfit that was made for someone that I saw on Instagram. That outfit was originally made by Azenat Wears on Instagram. Okay, you guys should feel free to go check her out, follow her for more sewing inspirations if you like. All right, so the blouse for this particular outfit had a particular beading pattern on it, and that's what we are going to be working on in this portion of the video. I'm just going to use this my fabric pencil right here. I got this pencil off of AliExpress. I got it was a set of 6 pencils. I don't remember how much I bought it, but this is what the pencils look like. Okay, so they came in different colors so that it will help while trying to outline things. You pick which pencil would show very well on what you're trying to draw on. Anyway, I digress. So I'm just going to pick this yellow one from the stash and then draw out my pattern on my fabric. So we had something like this going on the blouse. Then I'm going to come down again a little bit and also draw another line coming from this side as well. So this is what we have here. I hope it's reflecting on camera. What I'll be doing now is to do some straight beading on this line that we have here at the top and at the bottom. Remember, this was done directly on the blouse. If you are trying to use this tutorial as a guideline, please, everything I'm doing on this little piece of Asooke fabric, do it directly on your fabric, do it directly on your blouse. Okay, let's not finish beading on Asooke and now ask, oh, how do I transfer this to the blouse? It doesn't work that way. This is a tutorial. This is supposed to be an educative video. I'm using this little strip of fabric just to educate us on how to do something similar to what I showed at the intro of this video. So please do the needful. I have my needle and thread here. I'm using my size 11 beading needle. Okay, this is what it looks like right here, and I'm using my regular polyester thread. If you like, use invisible thread if that's what you like. Use fishing line if that's what you like, but for me, I'd rather work with my polyester thread. And just in case someone else is curious, polyester thread is your regular cotton thread, sewing thread that you use while sewing outfits. All right, for the straight beading pattern, I've done it a lot of times, so I'm not going to do too much talking. Let's just watch how I go along and replicate everything I'm doing on our work. For these lines, because on the inspiration for this video, we could see that these lines were made with, I believe they were silver crystal beads. For me, I'm just going to use this shinier type, or let me use a different color just so that the color payoff is better on camera. Let me look for a crystal bead that can work for what we are doing.
Leadership is about serving people with your gift. Your service becomes so exceptional that you receive as a reward the gift of loyalty. I'm about to pray for you. We are not inventors of this grace. We are only recipients, graceful recipients of this grace. To someone here tonight who has labored in the spirit, fasting in silence. To someone here who has labored in the spirit, praying and travailing, turning days to weeks and weeks to months and months to years. For someone here who has served serve from church to church, from man of God to man of God, serving graces, and may have never been rewarded physically. For someone here, you have spent time to educate your mind in training, consultations. Many have invested in their gifts, their potentials, their abilities. They've paid the price to laboriously refine themselves, and in truth, they are in a position right now where they can serve regions and nations. Receive that engracing that comes upon your gift. Receive that engracing upon your teaching ministry, upon your business, upon your professional life, upon whatever it is that you do. Receive it in the name of Jesus.
Alright guys, so this is what this looks like. I've already gone ahead to do the straight beading pattern at the top and at the bottom. If you look closely at the video again that I put at the beginning, you see that something like this was going on that particular outfit. Now in between this space here, there was also a particular beading pattern that was going on there, and for the purpose of that, you can use your seed beads. What I have here is sand beads. I don't have seed beads for this color of fabric. Okay, this is a purple Asooke fabric, as we can see. So I'm just going to see if I can make this one that I have with me work. So you're just picking up beads and also test it out, see if it's going to fill up this space that I have here. You see that I still need more beads, so I'll go ahead to pick some more, test it out again, see, do I still need more? Yes, I do. I'll allow this go in first of all, and then pick some more beads. If I had seed beads, or if I could use crystal beads to fill up this space, things will move faster, but I'm trying to be very economic with my bead usage. So we can see that this is kind of blending with this fabric, but stay with me please. So we can see that this bead right here, this seed bead, is going from one end to the other. Once you filled up your thread with the required quantity of beads, you go ahead to just sew. All right, I am sewing in such a way that I think I need to remove some because I want this to sit very flat on this point. So I'm going to take out some beads. So once you've done this, you just pass your needle and bring it out just slightly at the side. This beading pattern is very similar to the neckline beading pattern that I did on the channel. If you've not seen that video, I suggest you go check it out. So can we see how this is sitting flat here? Right? So can we see how this is sitting very flat here, and our thread is right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to pick up more beads and then fill up the space. I'm going to do this all the way till I go all around from side to side. Okay, while working with yours, use any combination of beads you like: crystal beads and broken glass bead, crystal beads and seed beads, crystal beads and pipe beads, rose montes and seed beads. Just feel free to go off. You can even, instead of these crystal beads that I use here, for your own, you can do rose montes all over this place and then do crystal beads here. Anything you want. You can even do sequins all over this place, right? In the layers there, the demarcations that you are doing, use sequins and then fill up the in between with any type of bead you like. The combination is your decision to make. So like I said, I'm going to repeat everything that I did here with this beading pattern. I'm going to repeat it all the way through, and then I'll show us. I'm also going to put a sped up montage for us, because I know some of us like to just see everything that I'm doing, and that's not a problem. I'm going to share. So please pay attention. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to drop your questions down in the comment section after you've ensured that you've watched the entire video all the way through. If you've not liked this video, I know you guys are enjoying the blings. Okay, the word for today that I'm going to comment in the comment section, if you've made it up to this point, is blings. I'm going to leave the spelling of blings in the comment section for me to know that you made it up to this point and you've been following everything that I've been saying. Type blings in the comment section. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill up this space, and then we'll see what the end result looks like. Alright guys, this is what we have here. This is the end result of this beading pattern. In the inspiration video, it was crystal beads that were used here. As you guys can see, there's lilac crystal beads going on, and I think here I can't really place the color of the beads that were used here, but there's something going on here as well. I even feel like it's rose montice that they arranged here. Anyway, with beading, like I said, any combination you like is fine. This is what I came up with. Remember, if you are making it on an outfit and you want to make something similar to the inspiration of this video, what we have here, you will do it in different layers till you get to the hem of the blouse you are decorating, or the dress, or whatever portion of the, you can even do this on a skirt, right? You can do this pattern of beading on the side or the front of the skirt, give it gap, maybe like 5 inches gap or 10 inches gap. Just do this beading pattern on a skirt, you know, it will look really nice. This beading pattern can be applied to anything. You can use it on a dress, a skirt, a blouse, whatever it is you want. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Again, I'm going to reiterate everything I did on this piece of Asooke fabric. If you want to emulate or just do something like this, do it directly on what you're decorating. Don't do this on a piece of Asooke fabric and ask me, how do I attach it to a dress? Please be directly on your dress. I only did this because I'm not making a blouse. I'm just teaching us how to create this beading pattern. Alright guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. It will mean a lot to me. Also share with a friend. If you have a friend that will enjoy this type of content, share with them. If you have questions for me concerning anything done in the video, don't hesitate to drop your question down in the comment section. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in another tutorial very soon. Bye.